Hello guys, so now I'm gonna show you step by step what are the things you need to take care to grow a Portulacaria Afra cuttings, also known as a dwarf jade. So the first step is get any scissor and get some cuttings done. So let me cut some branches so I can show it to you. So these are the cuttings I have got. So now let me show you what is the next thing that has to be done. So the cuttings we have got. Now if you see from the place you have cut, it's very greenish. And always remember, we cannot put it into a pot like this right away. So now what we want is that we want this area and the cuttings to be dried out before we put it into the pot. Alright, so second step is I'm going to leave this cutting for a couple of days until the wound area is dried out. I'm cutting some lower branches because this side of a cutting will be in the soil. So now I have got some dried out cuttings. It's been a couple of days since I pruned them, and as you can see, the wound area is dried out. If you notice the leaves also, it's like shrinking. It's like the plant is dying, but this is what we want before we put it into a pot. So this is the third step. You just get the cuttings and it's dried out and you just stick it in the soil. I'm using the bonsai soil right now. You can use it any garden soil as well. So this is how it's done. Simple as that. Just stick the cutting in the soil. One more important thing you need to remember is that once you put the cutting in the soil, you need to wait another 1 or 2 weeks before you water it. Let me show you how you're gonna know it's that when to water. So it's been a week and now you can see the new leaves are coming. You may notice the old leaves are shrinking, but that's fine. The new leaves are coming is a sign that you need to start watering your cuttings. Now you can start watering your cuttings normally once the soil is dry, and in next 1 or 2 weeks you will see your cuttings growing beautifully. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment down below. I will answer them. And this is the first part where I showed you how you can grow the cuttings into a plant. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can make this plant into a bonsai. So like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.